Right, hello there money fam, welcome back to my channel. So given the recent sell-off we've been seeing in a few of the SG stocks, I've decided to make a video to let you guys know what are some key support levels that you guys can consider if you are deciding to take an entry in any of the SG stocks that I'll be covering today. So I'll be actually covering the three Singapore banks. I'll be covering DBS, UOB, OCBC. I'll also be giving you my updated opinion on the ascendas reit as well to let you know whether I think it's a buy now or where the buy levels could possibly be. So if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel to help this channel out. And also if you find this video helpful in any way at all, please also do help the channel out by dropping the video a like as well. So not going to waste any more time, let's get right into it. Okay, so first stock, DBS ticker symbol DO5. Okay, so you can see ever since our recent high here of about $27.35, we've been on a little bit of a recent sell-off. So the question is, where are the key levels for you to actually add into your positions right now so that you can maybe start a new position or add on to your existing shares. So I've identified three potential key levels for you to consider if you're intending to purchase this stock. Okay, so the very first level is over here around the $25.20 mark. You can see that in the stock's history in the past few years, this level has been tested quite a few times before. So you can actually see over here, this was actually a resistance, then turned to support, which was the support again, and then a resistance, and then it was also a support, and then recently also a little support as well. So this would definitely be the first level for you to keep a lookout for. And this level actually also coincides with the 50 EMA, which is this purple line over here. So definitely if you're looking to add in some shares, I would think you can actually take a small position around this $25 key level. Okay, but if this level were to break, where would be our second key level? It would actually be over here around the $23.10 point. So this point was previously a key level as well, because as you can see over here, this was a support, which then turned into a resistance. And this level, I believe, if let's say the stock were to continue falling, will actually coincide with this blue line, which is the 200 EMA. So this would definitely be a level to keep a lookout for. Okay, and also as you can see, there's actually quite a huge gap over here, and what stocks tend to do is they tend to actually go back and fill up the gap. So I would think that this would actually be a key level to look out for also, because you could see a few potential buyers coming in at this gap over here. Okay, but if this level doesn't hold, I would say the next level where people would actually be going in quite big would be over here at around $21.20. So this level is actually based on recency effect, where this was previously a resistance and a resistance. So I believe this would actually turn out to be a very new strong support if let's say the price were to actually fall all the way down to this $21 level. So these are your three key levels for DBS to look out for if let's say you intend to take a key position. So the next stock we'll be looking into is UOB, ticker symbol U11. So we can see that recently the stock got resisted off this key level at about $24. So you can see from previous years, this was a resistance, which then turned into support, and is now turned into resistance again, whereby the price got bounced off this level. Okay, so as for where the key entry levels are, I would say the first level could possibly be around here at around the $23 mark. So this was previously a support resistance over here. And also you can see if we look closer, this is actually the bottom of a recent gap. So I would think that this price level could actually rebound off this lower part of the gap over here. But if let's say the price were to continue dropping, I would say the second support level will be around quite close, about $22.50, whereby there's a recent support over here. And if the price unfortunately continues dropping, our next key level would be around the $21 mark. So this was previously a resistance level here, so I would think this level would become a very nice newly formed support. And of course, if let's say the price breaks this level, because anything is possible in the stock market, then I would say our final support level should be around here, around the $19 mark, where it was previously a strong resistance, which then turned into a strong support. So $19 would be where I think everyone would try to go in quite big into UOB, if let's say in the very unlikely event that the price actually drops all the way to $19. Okay, so for the next stock, I'll be giving you my updated opinion on ascendas reit currently. And so I'll actually cover ascendas reit before I get to OCBC. But very quickly, just want to remind all of you all who are still paying expensive commissions that I highly encourage you to switch to Tiger Brokers, whereby the commissions are a lot lower and cheaper. And you can actually use my referral link down in the description box below. whereby you can actually receive a $100 SGD stock voucher depending on how much you first deposit, and also receive 5 commission-free trades for US and Hong Kong stock. So check out my referral link in the description down below, and do remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so now let's head to ascendas REIT. Okay, so ascendas REIT ticker symbol A17U. So we can see recently we got rejected off a key resistance level here at about $3.13, and the stock price has actually fell quite sharply all the way down to $3.05. So do bear in mind that I'm actually filming this on a Thursday night, so we've actually not gone into Friday's market open yet. So we can see this resistance level was previously a resistance here, 1, 2, 3, and now we've been resisted here as well. Okay, so in terms of key support levels currently, I would say there are 2 immediate support levels. The first one is actually here around the $3 mark. So aside from it being a whole number support, this $3 mark, as you look closely, you can see that if you look within these 2 green lines, you can see that the stock previously was trading in this channel over here, whereby it actually came down, went up, down, up, and then it actually broke out of this so-called green channel that you can see here. We went up, so I would think if let's say it comes back down, it will find support at this upper end of the channel over here at about $3. But at the same time, there's also another channel over here. You can see the stock was trading around this area. So when it came down and to the $3.05 level, I think it could be a support as well, and the stock possibly just rebound tomorrow. But assuming that the stock doesn't rebound tomorrow, I think the next immediate support will be here around the $3 mark before the stock makes at least a slight rebound. Okay, and if the stock doesn't even rebound from the $3 level, and if it continues falling, I think if it breaks $3, I think the stock could fall quite sharply, and it can actually come all the way back down to about $2.88, which would then be an extremely strong support, given by how it was a support here, 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 and here. So if it really comes down to $2.88, I think here will be where a lot of buyers will be looking to enter into this stock. Yep, so that is for ascendas REIT. So next we'll be going to look at OCBC. Okay, so OCBC ticker symbol O39. So you can see recently the stock got rejected off about $10.70. So this was a key resistance level because previously we had a resistance here, which then became a support, 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 and then now it became a resistance. So where would the immediate support be? I would think the first immediate support would be around the current price level at about $10.35. So we can see this is a support level because this was previously a resistance, turned into a support, which became a resistance again, and so now it could possibly be a support level over here. So in terms of channels, we can see the stock was trading around this area here. This was a little channel. The stock then kept up over here, and if let's say if the stock were to come down, I believe the top of the channel could be a support line as well. Okay, but if the stock were to break this support level, I would say the next immediate support level would be here around the $10 mark. So in addition to it being a whole number support, we can see that this level has been quite key in the stock's history, whereby this level was actually the previous bottom of a gap down, as you can see over here. It was also the bottom of a gap down here once again, which then turned into a resistance level and a very recent support level. So I would say this $10 or around $9.95 would actually be the next immediate support level. And of course, if this were to break, then the next level would be around the $9.50 level, whereby it was previously a resistance here, resistance, resistance, resistance. So I think this could be a newly formed support level if let's say the stock were to continue falling at about the $9.50 mark. Okay, so these are the 3 key support levels you can consider if you want to take a position in OCBC. Okay, in terms of profit taking, where would people actually take profits? Assuming the stock were to actually break this resistance subsequently, the next immediate profit taking level would be around here at about $11.20, whereby this was previously a resistance and also a resistance here 2, 3. So quite a recent resistance, I would say. So I would see some profit taking around the $11.20 mark if let's say we can eventually break this resistance of the $10.60 level. Okay, yeah, so that's it for OCBC. Okay, so with that, thanks for staying to the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already to be part of our money family. Also drop this video a like if you found this video helpful, or if you're a GME or AMC shareholder, alright? And let me know down in the comment section below. And with that, thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time, money fam. Peace out.